everyone!
Hi!
I'm Kyle Castigador, so cold as a pretty boy. Aha!
Francesca Cruz! Jefferson Castillo.
And Erica Cayetano.
Hey, what's up? Today we're gonna do our project vlog. Hey! Hi guys, me and my group are here to advocate you about biological technology when it comes to agriculture, or it is so-called agricultural biotechnology. But before that, we must know the cause in science and technology and how is it related to agricultural biotechnology.
So yun na nga guys, no? Science and technology are the mainly reason why agricultural biotechnology and nanotechnology are exist. But in this video, we are only focusing on the Genetic Modified Organisms or tinatawag na GMOs.
According to an article, within the years, the area planted to biotech maize, or known as the process of genetic modified organisms in the Philippines, increases because of our growing population, global warming, and loss of biodiversity.
GMO then became an issue to the Philippines as it questions how this process affects us, not only in agriculture but also in our health, as it shows that our food is genetically engineered. So with these facts, come and join us and let us explore more about agricultural biotechnology.
We Filipinos are very known when it comes to agriculture, especially rice and corn. In fact, the Philippines was discovered by Magellan because of spices. He was looking for spices. Agricultural biotechnology had been a great help for country's agriculture. In fact, it produces alternative ways to cover up a certain phenomena. One of the greatest inventions was the genetic engineering. It was great because it was used to make a hybrid species of a plant or anything that can help the agriculture or enhance to cover up, to resist the resistance, to fight the resistance for such instance. So yeah.
Year 1992, Dr. Saturnina C. Halos, a consultant of biotech and climate change of the Department of Agriculture, introduced the genetically modified foods in the Philippines. Since then, Filipinos didn't realize that they have been eating GM foods almost every day. Filipinos are known to eat heavy meal during breakfast because this gives them energy to their whole day activity. They usually eat hot dog, cheeses, coffee, eggs, and corned beef. However, without being fully aware, this contains genetically modified texture vegetable protein, or known as TBP. TBP is genetically modified soybeans used as substitute for meat or added to meat.
As food an essential thing for us humans and the number one risk for health, we tend to criticize and value the food we're eating. And one issue with regards to this is none other than genetic modified organisms.
It has been a continuous debate for all nations if genetic modified organisms is really safe or not for each and every one of us.
However, there has been a lot of research tackling about the said issue, and the conclusions were there are no risks or there's nothing to be afraid of, as GMO undergoes to a variety of tests from research planning, rigorous safety testing at energy stage, food and environment safety before selling it into the market. Also, for the past 18 years, GMO has released that there is no evidence that gives someone an ill effects linked to the consumption of GMO. In fact, crops and animals' health and growth efficiency actually improved because of genetically engineered feed. Moreover, it was also supported by different food and agricultural organizations all over the world.
We all know that one of the basic needs of people is food. We need to at least eat 3 times a day, and most of us couldn't survive without eating food. So, where does it come from? Where do we really get our food? Nowhere else but in our agriculture.
As Philippines' population rises by time, the risk of food shortage also increases as the demand for food also increases. So, the production for food must be able to fill in the needs of the population. But the problem is, the cropland and the population wasn't equally distributed. However, Philippines has a total of 104 million of Filipinos, thus, our country is already experiencing the said shortage for food, mainly because of the climate change as it affects the production of crops and animals, which are our main source of food. And this is where agricultural biotechnology takes place. With the risk of having not enough source of food and not being able to produce food more than or equal the number of population in the Philippines, they tend to accept the process of genetically modified organisms.
So there you go, guys. There. So there you go, guys. That's all about agricultural biotechnology. So what they think about the issues, about the happenings in science and technology. Does our country benefit from it, or does it affect our country? I'm gonna leave you with a question. Is it you, or is it technology? So I'm gonna show this, so like, ooh.
I agree with all your opinions, guys. However, didn't you notice that the main reason of the existence of climate change was because of the science and technology itself, and in how people overuse it, that causes us to have food shortage and the sudden change in our weather conditions.
Yes, and with science and technology in relation to agricultural biotechnology, there are still risks when it comes to our health. In conclusion, science and technology dominates us with the cause of the existence of itself. Hi guys, that's it for our project vlog.
We hope you have learned something from us.
Hey, I hope you remember me and I taught you hard.
Thank you and God bless.
Once again, this is Francesca Cruz.
Hey boy, Cassie.
Erica,
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kyle Sigador. Hi guys.
Nag-introduce ka na ba?
Ooh.
Another one.
Hi guys. Hello everyone. Mali.
Another one.
Hello everyone. I'm Kyle Consigador, so cold as a pretty boy. Aha!
It's Francesca Cruz.
Another one.
Hello everyone.